Hello and welcome back, dear student, in this series of basic English grammar. Some small chapters, some basic chapters of English grammar we have discussed and we have studied in our previous videos. Now, today we are going to open once again basic but an interesting chapter of English grammar, and name of our today's chapter is case of subjects or case of pronouns, isn't it? Once again, case of subjects or case of pronouns, or in simple language it is kinds of subject चे असणारे प्रकार. Now once again try to revise and try to remember the concept we have discussed about the subject. Subject, it is known as a person, one who is doing something in a sentence, or subject which is either noun or pronoun which does something in a sentence. वाक्यामध्ये यस सगळ्यात अगोदर व्यक्तीचं नाव किंवा व्यक्तीचं प्रोनाउन जे येईल त्यालाच आपण बोलणार वाक्यातला असणारा सब्जेक्ट किंवा प्रोनाउन. And therefore let us discuss how they are categorized. Now subjects are categorized in three different columns. Once again, subjects, they are categorized in three different columns. First is the first person, subject of second person, and subject of third person. Once again, subject of first person, subject of second person, and subject of third person. Now each three categories, they are divided in two different columns. The first is singular and the second is plural. The first is singular, it is in Marathi ekvachan, and the second is plural, which is anekvachan in Marathi. Now see how the subjects are adjusted in these columns. Alright, we have studied and we know that there are 8 different subjects generally used in English language, and the 8 are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Once again, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Now once again, let us adjust all that 8 different subjects in the 3 different columns. Yes, they will categorize as singular as well as plural. Yes, through this chart we are going to discuss how they are categorized. Now here, I, isn't it? First person singular I, and same plural case of the same subject is we. Okay, whenever I have to talk about myself, I have to say I am a student or I am a teacher, isn't it? But when I have to talk about my same or similar group, that time I have to say we are students or we are teachers, isn't it? ज्यावेळेस वैयक्तिक मला स्वतःबद्दल बोलायचे त्यावेळेस मी बोलताना बोलणार I am a teacher or I am a student. परंतु ज्यावेळेस मला माझ्या स्वतःच्या ग्रुपबद्दल किंवा सिमिलर ग्रुपबद्दल बोलायचे त्यावेळेस मी मात्र बोलणार we are students or we are teachers. Okay, that is known as the first person singular and first person plural case of the first person subject. Now second is second person, once again singular and plural. Whenever XYZ student, he comes and stand in front of me, isn't it? I have to say you are a student, isn't it? When a single boy, he stands in front of me, that time I have to say you are a student. तू एक विद्यार्थी आहेस, बरोबर. परंतु ज्यावेळेस मी क्लासमध्ये एंट्री करणार अनेक विद्यार्थी माझ्या समोर असणार. ओके, दे विल बिकम सेकंड पर्सन फॉर मी, सेकंड पर्सन प्लुरल, and that time I have to say you are students, isn't it? You all are student. तू विद्यार्थी आहेस आणि तुम्ही सर्व विद्यार्थी आहात. That is the two column for second person singular as well as plural. Now let us see about the third person. Now here 3 subjects we have written. It is he, she, and it. Once again, he, she, and it. Generally they are known as to, ti, and to, isn't it? When a third person, or suppose XYZ student, one who is outside the classroom, that time I have to say he is a boy. Suppose XYZ student, suppose she is outside the classroom, I have to say she is a girl. And whenever I have to talk about the neuter gender, isn't it? For example, this is a mobile, it is a pen, this is a chalk, or it is a duster, isn't it? It is a chalk, it is a duster. It is special use for the neuter gender, and the plural case for the third person is they, isn't it? He is a boy, she is a girl, and they are students, isn't it? He is a boy, she is a girl, and they are students of our classroom. Now see some examples we have done how to develop the example just by using the same cases or by using the 8 different pronouns. First is I am a boy. Whenever I have to talk about myself, that time I have to say I am a boy, or I am a student, or I am a teacher. Okay, now check out the plural case of first person singular. The plural case is we. We have discussed the first person singular I, and that is plural case only we, and therefore the example is we are boys, or we are students, and we are teacher. Okay, only the small change we have done here, the common noun which is in singular, we made the common noun, yes, and we turn it into plural. बरोबर, जे कॉमन नाउन एक वचनी होते तेच कॉमन नाउन ज्यावेळेस ग्रुप बरोबर बोलतोय त्यावेळेस ते जाईल प्लुरल मध्ये किंवा अनेक वचनी मध्ये. Check out the next example about the second person singular and second person plural. You are a student, isn't it? तू एक विद्यार्थी आहेस आणि अनेक मुलांच्या बरोबर बोलताना मात्र you are students, isn't it? You are student. Again we have used yes for the common noun, that is student. Next is he, she, it. We have learned they are known as the subject of third person. They are third person singular, and the plural case of these third person singular is they. Therefore he is a scholar, she is a clever, and they are student. Alright, he is a scholar, she is clever, and therefore they are students of the classroom. And again it is a mobile. Whenever we have to talk about the neuter gender, yes, that time we have to use it. It is a mobile, it is a bottle, or it is a duster, and it is a pen. Right, now through this video and with the help of this chart, I hope you have understood the classification of subject. But once again, try to recollect what we have learned here in this video. Subjects are divided in a 3 different columns: subject of first person, subject of second person, and subject of third person. Each column or each category, it is divided in 2 columns. First is singular and second is plural, isn't it? We have learned in first person singular there is I, same as it is in first person plural we have to use we. In second person singular we have used you, same as it is in second person plural we have used you, but only the minor change here we have seen. And in a third person singular there are 3 different subjects: he, she, and it, and the third person plural for the 3 subjects is they, it is they. Okay, up to here, and I hope you have understood today's video. Yes, keep watching the videos again and again, and try to subscribe our channel. Yes, it will give us moral support, it will inspire us to make the videos more and more for you people. Thank you and have a nice day.